Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another magic gel collection to share with you. This is their Cosy Classics collection, and honestly guys, the colors in this is perfect for fall. I feel like they're the nice colors that you need to transition between fall and winter, because you know when you're getting into winter you get more of the vampy shades. So to me this is a really nice collection. If you'd like to see more in regards to the colors and my thoughts and opinions on them, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm back today with another collection from Magic Gel that they provided to me to review for you guys. So in the package you did receive this little pamphlet, and this is just explaining their MLaq polishes, easy application, saves time and effort with the newest formulas, they're order free to keep health and priority and enjoy a fresh workspace, and they're long lasting, so it will keep your clients happy with long lasting manicures. And then on the back it just gives you some more information in regards to the odor free MLaq gel polishes. So this is another 8-piece collection. This is the Cosy Classics. So it includes 8 of their newest MLaq gel polishes. Number 74, Blushing Brilliance. Number 75, Radiant Rose. Number 76, Frozen Grapes, and that's supposed to be a 1-coater. Number 77, Porcelain Vase. Number 78, French Perfume, another 1-coater. 79, Smoky Day, another 1-coater. Number 80, Hazy Lilac, another 1-coater. And number 81, Lilac Pink. So I will be going through each of the gel MLaq polishes with you. And they also came out with a new top coat. So this is their Tackless Luxe Matte. I am so excited for this, guys. Just like their Tackless Hyper Shine, there will be no need to cleanse the nail after applying it, because there will be no inhibition or tacky layer. You literally just apply it and that's it. And with every order you also get the tabs for your swatch sticks. So now you have the labels and it has the Magic Gel logo on it, so you can just stick it onto your swatch stick, so that when your clients or customers come in, they have the names of the polishes right in front of them as well. Usually I use my own with a label maker, but I really appreciate this because then it saves me some time when I have to label my swatch sticks, especially when doing tutorials or reviews. Just from the tops of the polishes alone, it looks like a lot of neutrals, like warm toned colors. I'm seeing some purples, some pinks, some nudes. So we'll go ahead and we will get started with the Cosy Classics collection. And I'm just going to do them in numerical order just because it makes it easier on myself. So the first polish I'll be sharing with you is number 74, and this looks like a really pretty girly pink. It looks like it has some gold shimmer in it. Look at how pretty that is just from that peekaboo window. So this is 74 Blushing Brilliance. Ooh, this is really pretty, guys. This is a really delicate pink, like a soft pastel pink, I would say, and it has some gold shimmer through it, and that shimmer is so beautiful. And this is 1 coat of Blushing Brilliance. So to me the formula does seem a bit, just a tiny bit, thicker than the previous Magic Gel MLaq collection that I reviewed for you, but it is still really nice. Like, it does self-level really nicely, so I would say go in with a very thin coat. You will have to build this up a bit. And here is what Blushing Brilliance looks like against my skin tone. Very, very soft pink. It's really nice, just not a color that I would reach for. So this is number 75. And just by the swatch up here, this looks like another soft pink. And this one looks like it might have silver shimmer. You'll have to see. Yep, just looking at the peekaboo window, it looks like it is another soft pink with some silver shimmer. So this one is 75 Radiant Rose. Jack it up. Yep, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous baby pink. There is some silver shimmer through it as well. So this is one coat of Radiant Rose. Absolutely beautiful. Really, really gorgeous. I am going to go in with a second coat. Look at how the silver shimmer just reflects. So beautiful. And here is 2 coats of Radiant Rose. Very beautiful and delicate color. I really, really love the silver shimmer that's running through. So here is what Radiant Rose looks like against my skin tone. Again, a very nice and soft, delicate pink. But I do want to compare the 2 pinks, number 74 and 75. So as you can see, yes, there are 2 pinks, but they're still very different. This one is a lot more pastel-y, and this one has more warmth to it. Very, very beautiful in my opinion, both of them. So number 76. This looks like a light mauve just from this alone. Okay, maybe it's not as light as I thought it was. But I am getting some like purple undertones just looking through here. So this one is number 76, Frozen Grapes. Yes, this is like soft, it has like soft grayish undertones. I would consider this like a nudie mauve. Like it does have that nude aspect of it, but you're still seeing the slight purpley undertones to it. It's a really nice color though. So this is just one coat of Frozen Grapes. Really beautiful. This is also one of those colors that I kind of and haw because I'm like, I don't know if it's going to look good against my skin tone, but I can see a lot of people using this color. And here is Frozen Grapes with 2 coats. Again, a very, very nice color. And I can definitely see its place in this collection. And here is what Frozen Grapes looks like against my skin tone. Very, very beautiful. And here you can see the purple undertones that I was talking about. So next is number 77. And this looks like, I'm not sure, this looks like a neutrally color. I can't tell, like maybe a neutral beige. So in the peekaboo window, it does look like it has some slight purpley undertones to it. So 77 is Porcelain Vase, or Vase, depending on how you pronounce it. Okay, so this is, I want to call this a light gray, but I do see some pink and purpley undertones to it. It does remind me of porcelain almost, but it is really, really nice too. is one coat of Porcelain Vase or Vase. Very, very nice, delicate color. And here's what Porcelain Vase looks like with 2 coats. Very, very nice. I honestly didn't think that I was going to gravitate towards this color, but I actually like this. And here's what Porcelain Vase looks like against my skin tone. Again, this is not a color I would usually gravitate towards, but I really do like this. It's probably because it has that like purpley undertone to it. So this is number 78. And from the swatch, it looks like I want to say a taupey color. So even from the peekaboo window, I'm still going to say it looks like a taupey color. It looks like it has some grayish undertones to it. And this is French Perfume. Yep, so this looks like a taupey, medium toned gray, but it still has that like taupe undertone to it. This is a really nice color for fall as well. So this is one coat of French Perfume. This is a really nice color, guys. And it has really good coverage and self-levels very nicely. And here's what French Perfume looks like against my skin tone. So this is number 79. And this one looks like it's another gray by the swatch. Okay, and even at the peekaboo window, it still looks like a gray to me. So this one is Smoky. Ooh, this is a very nice gray. I would say this is like a true medium toned gray. And honestly, guys, it's showing up exactly how I'm seeing it in real life. That's how you're seeing it in my camera. So I'm very pleased with that. And here's what one coat of Smoky Day looks like. I love the coverage of these MLaq polishes. They are so opaque, it's not even. And here's what Smoky Day looks like in 2 thin coats. Gray's not usually my thing, but I like this one. This is a really nice. And here we have Smoky Day against my skin tone. Very, very lovely gray. I can definitely see myself getting use out of this, and it's like such a nice fall gray. It's not too dark and it's not too light. So this is number 80. By the swatch, I'm getting some purpley undertones, but I'm not sure what I really want to call this color. But looking at the peekaboo window, definitely looks like a purpley color. So I know some of the colors have like that grayish undertone, purpley gray, but this looks more purple. So this is called Hazy Lilac. So I will say this is more of a muted lilac, like not that typical bright lilac that everyone's accustomed to seeing. It's still really gorgeous, and I will say like it does have some gray undertones to it, but that helps make it that muted lilac color. But it is still really pretty. Guys, can I tell you that I love everything about this color? And this is just one color. And here's 2 coats of Hazy Lilac. I am loving this. Like, it's more muted than the purples I lean towards, but something about it I'm just like, yes. I love this. And here is what Hazy Lilac looks against my skin tone. I really, really like this. Like, I like how muted it is, and I think like I know some people might not be like, these colors, they might not gravitate towards, but I feel that these are really nice for fall. And it's a nice transition between the fall and the winter colors because, you know, once winter comes, you usually get more deep, dark, vampy colors. So I think these are really good transitioning colors. And the last color I have to share with you is number 81. So by the swatch here, I'm just going to tilt it a bit. It looks like it's a pinky purple. And even by the peekaboo window here, it's still leaning like that pinky purpley color to me. So, this is Lilac Pink. The name suits the color I'm seeing here. So I would consider this a dusty toned lilac, but you really are getting the pink undertones in this. So I personally feel like the name is really well suited. I'm excited for this color, guys. And here is Lilac Pink in one coat. Super, super pretty. I love how delicate it is. Lilac Pink against my skin tone. Really like this color. It is really delicate and really nice too. So I also just wanted to show you Lilac Pink and Hazy Lilac side by side. So Hazy Lilac is a lot more, it has more darker undertones, more gray undertones, and Lilac Pink has more pinky undertones. So they're very close, but at the same time they're still very different. And here we have it for the Magic Gel's Cosy Classics collection. Honestly, I feel like it's a well-rounded collection. Yes, there are some colors that are close, but to me they're not close enough to say that you don't need it in the collection. Of course, it's up to you. Like, you could be like, okay, I don't need to have Hazy Lilac because it's close to Smoky Day or it's close to Lilac Pink, but really and truly it's like Hazy Lilac is the in-between child of Lilac Pink and Smoky Day. So to me, it is a well-roundabout collection. I really do like the colors. There's some that I gravitated towards more than others, and some that I wasn't sure I could wear myself. I guess it's one of those things that I have to try on and see. So let me know what your thoughts are about the collection. Did you have any favorites? Can you see yourself wearing any of these colors? As always, guys, thank you so much for sticking tuned with me. Do give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do post more content. As always, I will have all the links down below where you can purchase Magic Gel polishes. You can purchase them from the Magic Gel website themselves and other distributors across Ontario like Creative Beauty, Nails Are Us, and there's a few other ones. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I will make sure to have them listed down below for you as well. As always, guys, stay glamorous.